Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. This is one that we did our custom color remover process on. Her custom color remover process of pouring the powdered, sprinkling on the powdered color remover and then pouring hot water over the top. Actually came out pretty cool. I'm really glad that that's my shirt, actually. That was definitely probably the most effective method at getting all the color out, obviously. If you're curious how we got here, we've got a video on it. But yeah, gonna twist it up, throw some color on it. It's been soaking in our sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes. Time to twist it up.
What colors would you like?
I think I'm gonna do Bluebird, Cayman Isle, Custom Green, Scarlet, Purple, Deep Purple, and Golden Yellow. Scarlet, Bluebird. Make sure and shake all these. Cayman. Do we really need Cayman? We might not need Cayman. Yeah, I guess Cayman. We got Custom Green. We got everything else. So yeah, that's it.
So you have two blues, a red, a yellow, a green, and a purple. You have no orange.
Well, deep orange. Yeah, I want deep orange.
And you want both of those blues.
Yeah.
Okay.
The blue and the Cayman. To the dyeing rack we go. Actually, you might not have to put the Cayman in there, but you can try. Definitely interested to see how this one comes out. We got Scarlet. A little bit of deep orange. Citrus, golden yellow. Sorry. Golden yellow. It's comical at this point. Good old Custom Green.
So what do you want for the blue? Tell me now.
The Bluebird.
Okay. So no Cayman.
No, if we can only get one of them, I'd rather have the Bluebird.
Okay.
Shake it well. The Bluebird. We love the Bluebird. Just say apply it liberally because it's got thickener in it, I believe. Super clear. And deep purple. Look at that. A little more scarlet. Yeah. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Sorry. A little more scarlet. So we have scarlet, deep orange. We got some citrus yellow. Golden yellow. So golden yellow, custom green, a little bit of the Bluebird. We love the Bluebird. And deep purple. So for all of them again, that is scarlet, deep orange, golden yellow, custom green, Bluebird, and deep purple. To the drying rack?
To the drying rack.
And there it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to wash it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.